This is the big news now coming in for India. The Serum Institute of India, the SRI, has halted the human trials for Oxford vaccine after a volunteer had developed adverse reactions abroad. Now, the Drugs Controller General of India had yesterday issued a show-cause notice to the Serum Institute as, remember, halted in UK Oxford vaccine trials. As a volunteer had taken ill, this is for the UK Oxford vaccine trial, where an adverse reaction was shown. DCGI had asked Serum Institute to explain now why the ongoing clinical trial of Covishield vaccine in India was not stopped, despite being halted in 4 other countries. Milan Sharma is tracking all the latest. I want to go across directly to her. Milan, this is very big news. So the trials are halted, which means the vaccine could likely be delayed. But what is this connect to the UK trial? Tell us about that as well.
Well, Pooja, it's definitely a setback because the vaccine that has developed some complications in one volunteer that the AstraZeneca was doing a trial on in UK is the same vaccine that the Serum Institute, along with the Indian government as well as AstraZeneca in India, were going to conduct trials on. So these trials were going to happen on the same vaccine. That's the connect. Secondly, if this vaccine has shown some complications in one patient, the scientific community has said it's ethical that AstraZeneca has stopped the trials in UK. Now, taking from that, the Director General in the Drugs Controller General in India has said that why shouldn't the trial stop here? Because they have not given the information or the details to the DCGI about the trial complications in the UK. And since it's the same vaccine, unless and until the safety outcomes are ascertained, the trials should have to stop, and which is why the Serum Institute has now said that they will halt the trials until any further instruction is given to them by the Drug Controller General authorities.
Thank you so much. That's very big news coming in. Oxford vaccine candidate trials in India have been halted for now due to, in UK, the trials, a volunteer showing some adverse reactions.